Video survey, test section 470608. It's a continuation of this SPS project 6. See back down that direction, we skipped a section in our sequence and skipped test section 07 because they're working down there. We decided to get this one done, so we'll fall back and get that one. So as far as sequence of sections, this tape is out of sequence for pre-construction surveys. See back behind there is, like in most of the sections, a core-hole sampling area. See out here we have a lath in the fence labeled with a test section number and some survey flagging. Also have across the highway another painted lath for alignment. Some paint on the far shoulder, the other lanes. And I've also referenced out here to the other slab. Hopefully we'll have some stuff to reference to later. I'm going to walk through this test section. This is a 8-inch overlay of a crack, break, and seat. Still have our map cracking and our polished aggregate. Just doesn't look quite as shiny today for the sun, I assume. The joint seal damage was pretty much medium all the way through. We had a couple of highs. Show you some of this. This will be not important when they crack, break, and seat. Station 100. Here is a longitudinal crack area. There in the wheel path, 2 different slabs. Something Larry wasn't quite sure about. Around station 155, they have this old paint that says under drain. This whole section is supposed to be under drain. He's going to check into that. Station 200. Out here on the fence we have this angle and support post. On the one on my right, which is on the east side of the supports, is a concrete. It's concreted in. We have a paint dot on there, will be the benchmark for this test section. We'll mark it with a lath later and make good notes of the location. Approaching station 300, you can see a longitudinal crack on one slab turning into a corner break on the other slab. Large spalls, big pieces missing. And here we have asphalt overlay, or an asphalt section, starting in approximately 357, excuse me. It's pretty beat up. There are pieces missing. Come back and tried to repatch areas. Station 400. See the reflection cracking out in the center line and other areas where they possibly had corner breaks. Right in here, this patch on the patch, you can see some fines coming up through the edge of the pavement and out into the lane for pumping. Then almost to the end of the section, come out of the thin overlay back onto a slab, small longitudinal crack. Station 500. Looking westbound towards the 2 supplementals. See a coring location for this section, coring location for the next section. That begins the supplemental. And on down the way you can see the other 2 coring locations. We'll turn, look back through the section now. Station 500, Station 0 back by the van. This concludes this video. Note, here at Station 500, see on the side here a shoulder probe location.